had with the leaders of this party, I understand that that is why we have decided to have a small, humble beginning. We have decided to have a delegate conference of around 800 people and not to have a very big conference in Ramlila Maidan, which I think this party with its present strength can very easily mobilize. So my request is that you are leaving Delhi and you have to leave Delhi today. Of course, if you find you can something to remain to see around, you may remain here for 1 or 2 days more, but definitely you have to go to your villages, go to your towns, go to your gullies, go to your bastis and start building this party. The politics has now to become the dark den of the corrupt people. Many people have asked this question to we, the Popular Front, because we are supporting this party. To some extent, we were instrumental in conveying the message of this political empowerment. What happened to you? You are good people. Your organization has been doing very good social service. And now, why are you also going to the dirty ditch of politics? Yes, this is a challenge and task before you all. Our politics and your politics, it should be a clean politics. Corruption-free politics. So I think integrity and honesty should be the basic personal qualities of not only the leaders, but each and every cadre and member of this party.
तासुब का सिर्फ एक वाहिद इलाज है, वो है रिजर्वेशन. अगर हमारा हिस्सा महफूज होगा तो कोई उसको हमसे छीन नहीं सकता. लेकिन अगर आप सिर्फ अकल पर छोड़ेंगे या उसकी ख्वाहिश पर छोड़ेंगे तो जाहिर आपके साथ बेइंसाफी होगी. इसलिए अगर आप समाजी इंसाफ को मुतालबा कर रहे हैं तो समाजी इंसाफ में रिजर्वेशन को सबसे पहली जगह दीजिए. और ये रिजर्वेशन सिर्फ नौकरी में नहीं, ये रिजर्वेशन जितनी समाजी स्कीमें हैं जो सरकार की तरफ से डेवलपमेंट स्कीम्स आती हैं, उनका बंटवारा जब होता है, जब बैंक के क्रेडिट का बंटवारा होता है, जब गांव में इंदिरा आवास योजना का बंटवारा होता है, तो उसमें भी आपको आबादी के हिसाब से मिले.
Resolution number 1, build a united front of the marginalized and deprived. National Delegate Convention is of the view that only unity among the Dalits, Muslims,